How to make a one product Shopify dropshipping store. Hi there, today we will be learning about how to create your own Shopify dropshipping store with only one product. What you can do here is that you can create your Shopify account first, and then what you need to keep in mind or for you to begin is to add these applications into your Shopify account. Just go to your apps and then search for Luke's product photos and reviews, and you just need to add the application and then install the application into your account. Another application that you need to incorporate into your account here is instant checkout, where this would connect both of your shop in Shopify and into your source of the product, which could be in AliExpress. So when someone will order into your store, this would automatically connect into your account. So you just need to click on install app, and then that would automatically be added into your apps here on the account. So you just need to click on agree or approve rather, and then instant checkout will be added into your Shopify online store. Same as the looks, product reviews, and photos as well. So, what you can do here for you to begin is that you need to customize your online store's theme. So, what you can do here is that on the left side panel of the screen under sales channel, click your online store and then go to themes. From the themes here, what you can do is search for refresh. And then with refresh, what you will be doing is that you will be using that as your theme that you will be customizing later on for your Shopify store. So here, once you are routed into this page, instead of using the default theme, you just need to search for refresh or any theme that you may like. But for in my case here, I'll be choosing refresh, and then just click on add. When you click on add, what you will do here is that you will be using this, so you need to click on publish, and then that would exchange, or that would be the new um, online store theme that we will be adding into your Shopify store. There, as you can see that your account has now been a refresh for the theme. What you just need to do is click on customize, and then you will be routed to the page where you will be doing all the edits for customizing your store. So here you can see on the left side panel, here are the tools that you can incorporate. What you can do here is you can simply just click on add section for you to add the product. In this case, since this is only one product store, you will no need, or you just need to hide the featured collection, and in exchange what you can do is add a section for the featured products, and you can even add details as well on the footer depending on how you'd like to um, advertise, or how you would like to let your customers know about the product. So here what I'm doing is that I am customizing the color, adding a logo into my online store. You can just click on this paintbrush icon on this leftmost side of the screen, and then you just need to click on logo. That's the first option, and then you can create your logo either in Canva or what editing software you're using, and then once you drag and drop it into the box, it will automatically be added into your preview page here, as you can see. And another thing here as well, when you click on a specific section, you can simply just click on the right side panel of the screen, and that's where you will be able to change the images that you want to incorporate if you want to change the background of that specific part of your Shopify store. So next thing here is that we will be looking for a product. Just go to aliexpress.com and then sign in. What you'll do here is that you will be looking for a product that you want to sell. So you can review your Shopify account here. And then what you will do is that just simply look into the search box, and then since most of or what I'm doing with my online store is that I will be using this for art supplies or paint. So I'll be looking for a product that I could use to sell as a one product on my Shopify store. So I'll be looking for something that's very handy, like this one, the portable watercolor set. What we will do here is that we will be copying the title, the images, and the description as well, so that we will be able to incorporate that on our Shopify store. So just save these images that you would like to add into your account, and then you will be needing that later on in the video. Another thing here is that when we will be adding a product in our Shopify store, you need to add a title. So we just need to copy the title here in AliExpress. We will not be using all the title that we have. So what you can do is just here on your Shopify account, go to products. That's the third option from the top or from the home, and then just click on add product, and then you will be able to fill out these informations like adding the title, adding description, the media. You'll be able to set the pricing as well. So here I just pasted the title that we have. I'll make it shorter. So what I'll do is a portable watercolor paint set, pigment with water pen. So once I have that information here, I'll be adding a description. I can get these details on the AliExpress product details that we chose here. But as you can see, most of the product details are actually just for um, they are mostly images. So what I'll do here is that I will be composing my own product information basing on what is given here on upon reviewing on AliExpress. So what we can do here is that we can go back to your Shopify store, and then we will be checking on details, and we'll be pasting these informations. And now that we have the description, what we'll do is go to the downloads and then search for the images that we just saved into our computer, and then just click on add, and then it will automatically be added into your product media. And here under pricing, we just need to set the pricing of our watercolor set by increasing it higher than what is being sold here in AliExpress, so that we will be able to gain profit. So here with compared price, you can set it at a higher rate so that when you will be selling this, or the way it will show in your online store, it would look like it has a markdown price with the comparative price here. So it should be higher than what the selling price you are using here. And then here, you need to add as well the cost per item so that you will be able to keep on track on how much profit and what is the percentage or margin percentage of your product that you'll be selling. Here, you can also input as well on the weight of your product, since this would be important as well, especially when we will be shipping this product, since depending on what shipping address or what shipping courier we will be using, they may have a additional charge if it's heavier than a specific item. So just click on save once everything has been filled out, and then it will be added into your product. So what you can do is you can go back to your customizing the theme so that you will be able to add a product into our online store already. So just go to sales channel and then click on online store and go to themes and go to customize, and you will be routed into this page. And then from here, what you will do is that you will be clicking on this part here where you had a featured product, and on the right side panel, that's where you will be able to add the product. And as you can see, it is automatically been added already here into your store. So this is how it would look like on your customer screen. So you have that here, so you just click on save. And what we will be doing here next is that we will be incorporating the Luke's product reviews and onto your online store so that it would look legit, and it looks like it has been, or you have been selling your product for a lot of time already, or quite some time. So with the reviews from the AliExpress, we will be importing that here. So what you can do is go to your apps and settings and then go to apps and sales channel, and then go to your Shopify App Store and then install your Looks application. So once you have the Looks here, what you will need to do is just to simply install it, the same as the instant checkout as well. And once you have the applications installed, what you can do is go to Looks on your apps, and then you will be routed into this page where you just need to click on continue. And just go ahead and click on continue until you'll be routed into the Looks dashboard here. And then click on import reviews once you're on this page. And then what you will do here is that you actually need to use Google Chrome for this, since you need to drag this import to Looks into your bookmarks tab, or bookmarks bar rather, on your browser. So here with Microsoft Edge that I'm using, they actually, or it currently does not have the bookmarks bar option. So what I'll do here is I will be using Google Chrome to be able to add the bookmark for importing AliExpress to Looks. So we are currently doing this with Google Chrome. So what you can do is just go to reviews and go to import reviews here on the dashboard, and then just simply drag this button import to Looks and then paste it into your bookmarks bar. And then you go to AliExpress and look for the product that you are selling, and just simply click on the bookmark that we just dragged, and then choose the product that where you will be importing the reviews to. So you just click on the drop down button and then just click on the product that we have, and then you can set whether you need all ratings or reviews from all countries, depending on what you like. So you can also, before you will go back to your store, you can actually filter here whether you want to add this review into your store by just adding or clicking on accept or reject. So we can go back into our Shopify account, and there you'll be able to see with manage reviews, all of the products or all the product reviews are already shown. So what we can do is go to our online store, go to themes, and then go to customize once again. And then from here, we will be able to view the reviews by adding a section, and then we just need to look for reviews widget here, that's by Looks. So when we click on that and then add it into one of our sections, at the bottom part you will see that there is, or here are the reviews that shows or that is being shown from what we just imported from AliExpress. And once you are done, what you can do is just click on save, and then you will now be able to publish your online store by purchasing or having a domain into your Shopify store. And this is how it would look like once you have the online store ready. And that's basically it. That's how you will be making a one product Shopify drop shipping store. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.